So like short dog paddle, guys, it sets you up really nicely for getting to learn a catch in your stroke, but also helping to guide those arms, that pull in the right direction, which is straight line, straight back. Short dog paddle is just moving through the elbow. We're going to start with a short dog paddle and then push all the way back to our legs, extending that stroke, now making it a long dog paddle. Okay, we're going to see rotation in the body, which is fine as well. Okay, it doesn't have to be completely flat. However, when you're starting off, if you do have to only stay flat, that's fine, but the ultimate goal is with rotation. So I'll show you what this looks like away and then back. The great thing about this drill is your face is in the water and you can watch your hands. As soon as you see your hand drifting out of sight across your body, pull it back in and correct it on the next stroke. The goal should be it's traveling down the midline of the body, not the right hand going to the left and the left hand going to the right.